mitigation framework to ensure that we will have proper mitigation measures against any acts of cyber security. We have gone ahead, ladies and gentlemen, to establish and operationalize the Office of the Data Commissioner. The mandate of the Office of the Data Commissioner is to ensure that within our digitalization agenda, we are also ensuring adequate levels of both data privacy and data security. We have gone ahead also, ladies and gentlemen, to establish a multifaceted government team that on a continuous basis is undertaking or scanning the operational environment to be able to determine the patterns, because this is a global issue, the patterns of cybersecurity and what we need to do in a proactive manner to have an elaborate risk mitigation framework around our digitalization agenda. So we are on the right trajectory. And let me also, now that we are on this, reaffirm what I've stated before, that the recent incident that we had was not a case of hacking the eCitizen platform. It was a case of an attempted cyber attack. Hacking means you succeed illegally to get into a technological platform that does not belong to you for ill intentions or malicious intentions, and then you go therein and adulterate the data that is domiciled within that platform. That is not what happened. What happened is that there was an attempted attack on the eCitizen platform, among other platforms, including but not limited to those held in the hands of the private sector. But because we already had an elaborate risk mitigation framework around that space, it was unsuccessful. So I want to assure Kenya